I'm gonna blow your mind with this little tip, and it's gonna make your editing life so much faster. And that video is gonna start right now. Oh, I love putting my hands over things. Hey everybody, my name is Sean Seymour and I do videos about photography and about technology. I also use Final Cut to edit my videos, and I'm gonna show you a super fast way to synchronize what might be considered a multicam clip, where you have screen record and your A-roll underneath that screen record, and you're trying to synchronize your voice with what is actually happening with that screen record. Okay, let's hop on Final Cut right now and I'll show you the trick to making two magnetic timelines for both your A-roll and your B-roll. So I have my talking head down here at the bottom, and at the top here I have my screen capture or my screen record from my iPhone. I want my voice to match up to the iPhone screen record. You'll see real quick if I play this for you that that is not what's actually happening. So in the iPhone we're going to go to Settings, and you would think it might be in Notifications, but it's not. It's actually down under Phone. So scroll all the way down until you reach Phone, click on Phone, and so you can see that I've already lost the timing there. My voice is way ahead of the screen record, and I'm not really sure why, but I need to fix this. Now, if I were to just try and fix this by blading things out, which is what I might normally do, it leaves a gap. I don't want that gap. I want to make this very simple on myself. So let's undo that. How do I make this simple on myself? What I do is I essentially create a connector by inserting a freeze frame. So I'm gonna just scroll through here. So right here is where it needs to start scrolling. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a freeze frame right here by using Option F. Of course, it inserted the freeze frame. But do you also notice that at the top here, it now has this little connector? This is all being treated as one large clip now, and essentially has its own magnetic timeline. If I go ahead and I delete the freeze frame, watch what happens. Everything gets sucked in. But it's not. It's actually down under Phone. So scroll. Right here is where I want it to start scrolling, right? So let me go ahead, that's already bladed. Let me grab my blade tool again by pressing B, and I'm gonna run out here to where the screen starts scrolling, right there. I wanna delete this section, and look at that, no gaps. It sucks it all in and makes one continuous clip. So now if I play, under Phone. So scroll all the way down until you reach Phone, click on Phone, and then you'll see you've got to scroll down a little bit more. Okay, again, my voice is going faster than what we're seeing on the screen. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna blade again and retime the clip so that it matches my voice. So let's go ahead, we're gonna go through here. I'll listen to it one more time. Click on Phone and then click on Phone. Right here is where it needs to click on Phone. Now you could set a marker here if you wanted to, but I'm just gonna leave the playhead here while I scrub through here and find out where it clicks on Phone. Right here is where it clicks on Phone. So I'm gonna blade this, then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna retime this by Command R. I'm gonna grab this corner, which allows me to retime this without struggling too much. I can just drag this corner to speed that clip up right to where my voice says click on Phone. So let's watch what I just did here. iPhone, we're gonna go to Settings, and you would think it might be in Notifications, but it's not. It's actually down under Phone. So scroll all the way down until you reach Phone, click on Phone, and then you'll see you've got to scroll down a little bit more. Respond with text. Click on that. And there you go. We have just synchronized my voice with the screen record. I hope you found this video helpful. I am absolutely amazed to have found this because I do a lot of these kind of videos. And if you do too, please leave a comment down below and let me know if you find this helpful or not. Hey, the next video you're gonna wanna watch is the video that shows you how I maintain my sanity with all of these large video files when the end of the year rolls around and I wanna archive everything. Check out this video where I walk you through step by step how I do it and how I make those archives super easy to access later on. Until I see you on the next video, my friend, keep it simple.